So I'm gonna take this shifter out. Shouldn't be that hard. Focus. Got a bolt on this side, bolt right there. These two bolts and these two bolts, and everything should just slide out. It should just pull on out. And then I can just put the new shifter in. That's the plan. I'm gonna see if that's gonna work, how it's gonna work.
Spray that shit down, girl. That's gonna smell that.
Well, I did end up having to take this whole thing out. Only reason is I'm having difficulty taking these two bolts out. I'm gonna have to grab something to hold it while I unscrew them out. And I should be able to take it, put the new shifter in, and be good to go. But you ain't gotta you ain't gotta do like taking that linkage bar out and all that. You ain't gotta do all that to get the shifter out. Just that rod right there. Drill and gave out on me. Ain't that so? Got the new shifter in, you know. Whew. Took me a little time, but like you don't have to take the shifting mechanism. You don't have to take that out from up under the thing. You don't have to take it out to put the shifter in. I didn't have to do that. All I had to do was just take out the shifter, the bar that takes the shifter out, pull that all the way out, take those two bolts out that holds the little bracket for the shifter in on the ball, take those loose, put this on, put it back up in there, bolt everything back up, and the shifter's back in there. So that's that.